Today, I want to talk about something that shapes every dream, every business, and every creative journey. Representation. Simply put, representation builds confidence. Let me explain, even back to my military days. Long before I started creating digital art, I learned this lesson firsthand. As a teenager, I worked as a GS1, a lonely at the bottom GS1 entry-level federal government position. But that one experience changed everything. I saw women and people of color holding professional roles, leading teams and showing up with confidence. And because I saw it, I could imagine it. It was real. That exposure planted a seed and led me to join the Army. And later, I said, in Easy Federal Resumes and More, that eventually developed the channel. That's why I created She Belongs Here, and why I reimagined Betty Boop, because seeing yourself in a story, in art, in work, in leadership, reminds you that you can belong in that story too. Now, here's where this becomes practical. Representation isn't just about seeing others, it's about seeing the possibilities for yourself, for myself. So I created a free downloadable worksheet so you can grab it from the link below. It's a simple reflection, a guide that prompts you to help you think about what inspires your creativity, who you've seen doing it well, and how you can start shaping your own version of what that success looks like. Because creativity just doesn't start with tools. It starts with awareness. When you become more aware of what's possible, you start to build that confidence in your own direction. And that's what I want for the viewers here on this channel. Not to just watch me create, but to rediscover what creativity looks like for you. If today's video got you thinking, download the free worksheet. Take 10 minutes with it and share in the comments what came up for you. You'll be surprised how much confidence grows from just writing out your thoughts. And before you go, I'll leave you with my signature reminder. Smart people build their own doors, and creativity is how you walk through them. Till next time, see you later.